Good morning, guys. This is Jorge with Graceful Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. Today I'm going to talk to you about why you're not investing. I don't have the money, Jorge. You do have the money. You have money in 401k. You have some savings. Maybe there's some things that you could sell to start investing in real estate. Find ways. It's easier than you think. But Jorge, I don't have $50,000. I don't have $60,000. Listen, I've seen guys do transactions for as little as $5,000. Rookie investors. Obviously, there's some seasoned investors that could do it with $500. You can always get 80% private financing very easy as long as you have a heartbeat. If you need help with the down payment, then get a partner. Talk to your aunt, talk to your grandma, talk to mom. Mom, we're gonna buy this property. We're gonna make X amount of money in rent. It's a $100,000 property. I need 20% down. I have 10 in my 401k. Can you spare 10 of your 401k? And let's make this deal happen. The market is up and down. The stock market right now, you don't know what's gonna happen after the elections. You don't know if it's gonna take a big hit after the elections. There's a lot of uncertainty right now. You wanna be on a tangible asset. You wanna have a piece of land. You wanna have a property. No more excuses. No more excuses. I know you, my friends from high school, everybody that I know in Facebook. You can do it. You don't need a lot of money. You have it already. Find ways. Some people even use credit cards. If you're using the credit card to buy an asset, a real estate asset that's gonna appreciate with time and it's gonna cash flow for you, so be it. But do not come up with any more excuses. Jump for it. I've seen investors with only a couple of $1,000s build an empire of properties because they're persistent. They don't give up. They have a dream. They know what they want to do, and nothing's gonna stop them. So you have the money. Like I said, you can do investment properties with as little as 20% down. No questions asked. Credit doesn't matter. And let's say you start with something small, properties worth $90,000, $100,000. So that's only like $20,000 down. So you could do like a JV with a couple of friends, family members. Each person puts $5,000, and boom, you have the best 401k in the world. I have nothing against stocks because I have stocks myself. I'm all about being very diversified. And if you don't have tangible assets, get some tangible assets. But guys, do not let other people, your neighbors, your friends, get ahead of you, become very wealthy because you're in the same rat race and you're not seeing beyond what you see. You don't see beyond working 9 to 5. You don't see beyond just having a couple of $1,000s in savings. You don't see beyond just having a 401k. Guys, that doesn't work. In order to build wealth, you have to diversify. You have to invest in real estate. And there's no excuses. No excuses. You have the money. Sell that jet ski that you have in the garage. Sell that RV you have in the garage. Sell that used car, that Mustang, old Mustang that you're working on. Sell it, sell it, sell it. And I think I'm losing the connection, but I just want to say thank you so much for your time. Remember, at Grayson, you invest, we do the rest. Jorge Vasquez, 20 years of investing, more than 2,000 plus transactions, broker of almost 50 agents. I'm here for you. If you need me at all, let me know. You can inbox me and we can start a plan today. You could do it. I was there with you with zero money, but the dream of becoming an investor. Thank you.